Well, today was another beautiful day at Rayburn Lake, and now we're getting ready for dinner. And tonight we wanted to grill some pork chops. Well, as we've talked about, one of the biggest challenges with van life is space. How do you carry everything with you? Well, we found a portable grill that's amazing. It's called Nature Hike. We'll put a link down in the comments below. But the grill comes in this great little carrying case. Pop it open. Open it up. Put the coals in there, light it up, drop the grill on top, and you're ready to cook. Easily holds 4 quarter-pound hamburger patties. We've cooked a couple of chicken breasts on there. Tonight, a couple of pork chops. Great for 2 people. And you could easily cook for 4. I'm gonna throw some charcoal in there now. We'll get this lit up, and the next thing you know is we'll be having some nice juicy pork chops for dinner.